From timeless wonders to cutting-edge designs, visionaries bring ideas to life. At NIA, we nurture the architects of tomorrow. From day one, we get hands-on experience with cutting-edge tools like 3D printing and laser cutting. It's exciting to see our ideas come to life. The digitally advanced labs and softwares give us an edge in design and visualization. It's like stepping into the future of architecture. Learning from renowned architects and industry experts help us think beyond textbooks and understand real-world challenges. Every semester, we travel to explore live projects. Seeing architecture up close in different cities makes learning truly immersive. With personalized mentorship and hands-on training, we are constantly challenged to innovate and grow. Life at NIA is beyond classrooms. It's about creativity, collaboration, and making lifelong memories. Your dream deserves the best foundation. At NIA, we don't just teach architecture, we shape visionaries.